This is me, Partigo, and today we will be solving Leetcode problem of the day. So the problem is unique length of 3 palindromic subsequence. In this, we have given a string and we have to return the number of unique palindromes of length 3 that are subsequences of s. So a palindrome is a string that reads the same forward and the backwards. That means like ABA is a palindrome, and because if we are reading it from the front, which is ABA, and if we are reading it from the back, which is also ABA, so that is a palindrome. And a subsequence of a string is a new string generated from the original string, with some characters can be non-related without changing the relative order of the remaining characters. So subsequences means like if we are having a string A, B, C, D, E, so ACE is a subsequence of that. Okay. So now we have to find out the total number of unique palindromes of length 3. Okay. So that particular question is asked by the companies like Amazon, Google, Adobe, Meta, Apple, and Uber. Okay. So now let's look into the example. So here we are given a string A, B, B, C, A. Okay. And we have to find out the unique palindromes of length 3. Okay. First, how we can find out the palindrome? So for the palindrome, if we are having a length of 3, then the first character and the last character should be same. Okay. And the second character could be anything. Okay. So let's suppose we are at index number this character A. This is the index. What should be the left? The left should be A and the right should be A. That is a one palindromic subsequence. Okay. Now we are at index number this B. For B, we are having a this one. In the right, we are having a this one. That is one. Okay. This is the another unique subsequence. Okay. Now for B, we are having one more in the A. That A is remaining. So for B, we are having one more A and one more A. That is one more. Okay. Now we are at C. For the C, we are having a B, but we are not having a B in the right hand side. That is not a palindrome. But for C, we are having a that one. That is one. That is one. So it makes 4. Now for C, we are having one more A in the left hand side. And the right hand side, we are having a. That is 5th. So total 5 subsequences are there. Okay. But in the question, they have told me to find out the unique palindromic subsequences. So what are the unique ones? The first one is unique, which is 1. The second and third is same, so they both giving us 1. That is means 2. And ACA, the fourth and the fifth one are same. That can give us the third one. Okay. So these are the 3 palindromic subsequence which are unique. Okay. So how we can find out the unique palindromes? So as you know, for the unique palindrome of length 3, the first character and the last character should be same, right? And the character which is middle could be anything. Okay. So let's suppose we are checking for A. So in the left, A is fixed. In the right, A is fixed. And we have to find out the characters which are in the middle. Okay. So if we have taken the first index of A and the last index of A, so how many characters are there in the middle? So we are having a ABC. So this is the first subsequence. This is the second one. And this is the third one. Okay. Now it is fixed for A. Now B could be the first and the last one. Let's suppose B and B. But do we have the B's frequency is greater than 1? We are having a single B. Then that won't be possible to make a palindromic subsequence of length 3. So B is not possible. Now let's check for C. For C as well, we are not having a enough number of characters. So C is not possible. So only these three are possible. Okay, so now let's look into another example. Okay, another string which is BBC, BA, BA. Okay, so now we are having a we are fixing for A. Okay, so A. Now, what could be the characters between A and A? The A and A, we are having only B, that is one palindromic subsequence. Now we are going for B. So we have fixed 1B, 1B. Okay, how many characters are between? We are taking the first B, we are taking the last B. In these, we are having a B, C, B, A. We are having a 4 characters. Okay, but we need to take the unique ones. So we will be taking only the 3 characters. What are them? They are the B, C, A. So these are the 3 more subsequences. So total is 4. Now we are fixing for C and C. Okay, but for the C we are having only the one frequency. So that is not possible to make a palindromic subsequence of length 3. So answer for that is 4 only. Okay. So what we have to do is we have to find out the frequency of every character and their start index and the end index. If we are having the start index and end index, then we can find out the unique characters in the range. Like for the B and B, we can find out the unique characters which are in the range. So B, C, B, A, we are having a 4 characters, but only 3 unique are there. Okay, so we have taken the 3 as the count. Okay, so now let's look into the code. So in the code, what we have done is first we have taken a map that will be storing the indexes. So we have taken a map D of character is appending the index. So it will be appending all the index of a particular character. So like for A, that is having a 0 index, 1 index, and we will be having a 4th index. Okay. After that, we have taken a count, which is unique subsequence count. After that, we are just doing for character comma indexes in d dot items. So for every character, we are finding out its indexes. If the length of index is lesser than 2, that means we are having a single character, and that won't be able to make the subsequence. Okay, so we have taken the first index, which will be at index of 0. We have taken the last index, which will be at index of -1. After that, we have taken the length of unique characters in the range of first index plus 1 to last index. After that, we are just adding it into the unique subcount, and in that we are returning the unique subcount. So that's only the code for this question. So if you have any doubt in this question, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to resolve it. Thank you.